there, food lovers! There's something truly special about a golden, crispy roast chicken. It's the kind of meal that brings everyone together. Picture this. You pull a juicy, flavorful chicken right out of the oven. The aroma fills your kitchen, and honestly, it makes everyone's mouth water. You're ready for a delicious and satisfying dinner. And guess what? You can achieve this culinary dream right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with this easy roast chicken recipe. Before we fire up the oven and get cooking, let's take a moment to gather our culinary army. Preparation is the secret to a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. So let's make sure we have everything we need within arm's reach. Here's what you'll need to conquer this recipe and create a meal that's sure to impress your family or guests. First up, one whole chicken, about 4 pounds. Let's be real, this is the star of the show. Make sure it's fresh and ready to go, as this will be the centerpiece of our dish. Next, you'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will give our chicken that gorgeous golden sheen and help lock in all those delicious juices as it roasts. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't be shy, flavor is key. Salt brings out the natural flavors of the chicken and helps everything taste just right. Add in half a teaspoon of black pepper. A touch of spice is always nice. It gives a subtle kick and balances the richness of the meat. You'll also want 1 lemon cut in half because citrus makes everything better. The lemon will add brightness and a hint of tang that lifts the whole dish. 4 cloves of garlic peeled. Garlic makes it good. The aroma and flavor of fresh garlic will infuse the chicken as it cooks, making every bite irresistible. And finally, a few sprigs of fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary, or your favorites. Let's get fragrant. These herbs will add a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor, making your kitchen smell amazing and your chicken taste even better. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the next step. Now, let's get our chicken ready for its grand entrance into the oven. This is where the magic begins, and a little extra care at this stage will make all the difference in the final result. Think of this as setting the stage for a truly show-stopping meal. First things first, give your chicken a good rinse under cold water. This helps remove any residual juices or bits from packaging, ensuring your bird is clean and ready for seasoning. Make sure to rinse both the outside and the cavity, then let any excess water drain away. Next, pat it dry thoroughly with paper towels. This step is crucial. Removing as much moisture as possible from the skin will help it crisp up beautifully in the oven. A dry surface is the secret to that irresistible golden, crunchy skin everyone loves. Now let's talk seasoning. Don't be shy. Use a generous amount of salt and freshly ground black pepper, making sure to cover the entire surface of the chicken. Seasoning is what brings out the natural flavors of the meat, so don't hold back. Be sure to sprinkle some inside the cavity as well for even more flavor. And here's a pro tip. Gently lift the skin of the chicken, especially over the breasts, and rub some of your seasoning mix directly onto the meat underneath. This extra step ensures every bite is packed with flavor, not just the skin. It's a small effort that makes a world of difference. Now for the flavor infusion. Take your lemon halves, garlic cloves, and a handful of fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, or parsley, and stuff them inside the cavity of the chicken. As the chicken roasts, these aromatics will release their oils and juices, infusing the meat with incredible, mouth-watering flavor. This simple step transforms an ordinary roast into something truly special, filling your kitchen with the most amazing aroma as it cooks. All right, it's showtime! Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, just place your chicken in a roasting pan. Drizzle it generously with olive oil. Now pop that beautiful bird into the preheated oven and let it roast for about 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Oh, and here's a little trick about halfway through the cooking time. Baste the chicken with its own juices. This will help keep it moist and flavorful. To make sure your chicken is cooked to absolute perfection, always use a meat thermometer. This simple tool takes the guesswork out of roasting and ensures your chicken is not only safe to eat, but also juicy and delicious every single time. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the thigh, being careful to avoid touching the bone, as that can give you a false reading. The thigh is the best spot to check because it cooks a little slower than the breast, so you'll know for sure that the whole bird is done. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This is the magic number for perfectly cooked chicken. Juicy, tender, and safe to eat. If you don't have a digital thermometer, consider investing in one. It's a game changer for home cooks. Once your chicken reaches the right temperature, carefully take it out of the oven using oven mitts. Place it on a cutting board and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before carving. This step is crucial, so don't rush it. Resting allows the juices inside the chicken to redistribute throughout the meat instead of running out onto the cutting board. This means every bite will be moist, tender, and packed with flavor. It's a small wait for a big reward. Now comes the most satisfying part, carving your beautiful roast chicken. Take a moment to appreciate your handiwork before you start slicing. Carve up that gorgeous chicken, separating the legs, thighs, and breasts, and arrange the pieces on a platter. Serve it alongside your favorite side dishes. Personally, I love pairing roast chicken with golden roasted vegetables, creamy mashed potatoes, or even a simple green salad for a lighter touch. You can also add some crusty bread to soak up those delicious juices, or a tangy homemade gravy for extra flavor. There you have it, a meal that's both comforting and impressive. Take a moment to admire your masterpiece, juicy, golden, and bursting with flavor. This roast chicken is sure to be the star of any dinner table, whether it's a special occasion or just a cozy night in. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and don't forget to share this culinary triumph with your loved ones. Cooking is all about bringing people together, so gather around, dig in, and make some wonderful memories.